on this Wednesday the 23rd. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to cover a lot of math today. Please get out your pens, pencils, calculators, notebooks, and books. Let's get started today. First of all, there will be a quiz tomorrow, and we will go over that information later today. At this time, go ahead and turn your homework in from yesterday. Here is your homework from yesterday right here. Please turn that in now. Make sure your name is on that assignment, and go ahead and turn that in at this time. Incompletes. Let's see what we have today for incompletes. Okay, Haley, Lydia, Autumn, you must take your test by tomorrow. Actually, I said by Tuesday or Wednesday, and you guys have not emailed me asking for more time, so I'm assuming you'll be taking your test today. If there's a problem with that, I need to hear from you, okay? So test by today. You can take it during class today, as long as you let Miss Carol, as long as you get caught up on your videos tonight, or you can take it in a different class period, as long as you let Miss Carol know what hour and what teacher you want to take that test with, okay? Alright, moving on. Today we'll be going over what will be on your quiz tomorrow. That's the first thing we're going to do, is talk about your quiz tomorrow. Then we're going to take notes and work on homework today. The video today is about writing linear equations, which goes right along with linear systems, okay? This should be a review from last year, so hopefully you will remember some of this information. The teaching video is called Writing Linear Equations, so please make note of that. It's only 20 minutes long, so a nice short video. The homework for today is page 115, 19 through 21, 23 through 26, and 28. Now, that video is 14 minutes long. Again, nice and short, okay? So I really think it's reasonable that we can get this done today in class. The name of the help video is, if I'm going too fast, just keep writing this down as I talk. The name of the help video is Geometry Track 1, Lesson 3.2, Part 2. Homework yesterday was Lesson 3.2, Part 1. Today is Lesson 3.2, Part 2. Now, I know it's a Wednesday night, so let me address that, okay? I do believe in teachers obeying the rules, so if you will do this entire assignment, I'm not going to grade your quizzes. You're taking the quiz tomorrow. I will not grade it probably until Friday, more than likely. Usually it takes me 2 days to get them back to you. So if you'll do this entire assignment and turn it in tomorrow, I will give you 5 bonus points on your quiz. If you are not interested in that and you do not want to finish this assignment, that's totally fine. I will still give you a 100 on your homework either way. But here's the catch. Miss Carol, if you email me anyone's name who is not working hard during class today, then I'm not going to give them a 100 on this homework assignment, because they should have been working in class, and because they did not work in class, they should go home and finish it. So if you do not work hard in class and you go home and finish the homework, no problem, you can have 100. But if Miss Carol emails me your name, and my name's Mike, so we'll just use me for an example. If Miss Carol emailed me a student's name, Mike, who did not work hard, and Mike did not finish the homework, I will not give him a 100, because he needs to work during the class period in order for me to not make him finish it at home. But I hope most of you will finish it, okay? And if you do, you'll get 5 bonus points on your quiz coming up here tomorrow. Okay, let's go over what will be on tomorrow's quiz very quickly, okay? First of all, listen, take really good notes. Any definitions or theorems or postulates that have been taught in your notes from lessons 3.1, that was last week, 3.2 part 1, that was yesterday, and 3.2 part 2, that's today. Any definitions, theorems, or postulates taught in those 3 videos will be fill in the blanks on your quiz tomorrow. Okay, take that to the bank. Alright, next, you should be able to solve linear systems by any of the 3 methods that I ask you to. The graphing method, linear combination method, or the substitution method. Also, you should be able to write linear equations. We're going to talk about that in today's notes, and lastly, any homework problem from lesson 3.1 is fair game. So you should be able to solve linear systems. That's lesson 3.2 part 1. You should be able to write linear equations. That's lesson 3.2 part 2. And you should be able I should be able to give you any homework problems from lesson 3.1 on your quiz tomorrow. All of that would be fair. Okay? Alright, moving on here. This next comment is amazingly important, so please listen. Sometimes in a math class, a teacher will say something and you'll naturally have a question and raise your hand. Since I'm not there to answer questions, you're more than welcome to ask Miss Carol. But if you choose not to do that, please feel free to write a note to yourself. Email me that night, and I will answer your question the next day in class. Gladly will I do that, so please take advantage of that. That's all for today, students. Please get started with watching your teaching video and then working on homework, okay? Study for your quiz tonight so you're ready tomorrow. Remember the last quiz we took? Think how high your quiz grade would have gone up if you would have done the memorization for the fill in the blanks